So in the last class we started with the mathematical logic, okay, and we started with what is the statement mean. Statement means nothing but if you are giving only one answer to that question, then that is a statement. Okay, if no, means math is an easy subject, you have two answers for this, so it is not a statement. You should have universally, you should have only one answer to that question, so that becomes the statement. For each and every statement we have some truth values. Either it is that statement could be the true or that could be in false. So this true and false becomes the truth values of that statement. Okay, so we have seen lot of examples for whether the given statement is statement or not, for the given sentence is a statement or not, and from that we have seen the connectives. Means what? A single statement can be combined with the other single statement. Means we can combine two or more statements together with the connectives, and those connectives we have seen as and, or, if then, if and only if, then, and the last one we missed, that means the time was over then, is the not, or that is known as a negation. Okay, I will repeat these tables. So very important tables in this whole topic, these tables are only important. So the number one table is an and table. So let's have the two statements P and Q, and the and is denoted by ulta V. Okay, so I will write this as an P and Q. For two statements we have 2 raised to 2 options which are number of 4s. So yes,
सर आपने नोट्स नहीं भेजा था इसका?
भेजा था बॉस, ऐसा कैसे है, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है
सर मुझे नहीं मिला.
यू आर नॉट इन अ ग्रुप. यस
यस सर, आई मीन
मैं थोड़ा सा डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करता हूँ, नॉट पूरा बट थोड़ा सा डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करता हूँ. मुझे लगता है ऑन द सेम डे आई हैव नॉट सेंट, बट ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे आई हैव सेंट, आई थिंक. कुछ तो हुआ था, लेकिन आई हैव सबमिटेड. डोंट वरी, आई विल रीसबमिट इट वंस अगेन, डोंट वरी.
ओके.
So true and false, then true false and true false. कुछ लोड नहीं लेना है. जब जो अभी तक हुआ है ना, दैट वाज ओनली जनरल पार्ट्स, जनरल स्टेटमेंट्स थे अभी तक जो है, लेकिन आज से जो कंटिन्यू होगा ना, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो एंड स्टेटमेंट का ट्रूथ टेबल कैसा होता है? सो दीज आर नथिंग बट द ट्रूथ टेबल्स. सो इफ बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू, देन माई आंसर इज ट्रू. मीन्स P इज ट्रू, ट्रू एंड ट्रू इज ट्रू. True and false, and means what? I require both the things. So एक आहे आणि एक नहीं है, means one है, one thing I have but other thing I don't have, so which is false definitely. So false true is again false, false is definitely false. Any doubt here?
No,
if
sir.
you doubt, if
No,
you
sir.
have doubt, you can revisit the video which I have uploaded. Okay, please remember me to share the link, okay, of my YouTube channel. I will share in the last 5 minutes. Next we have the or, and इसका symbol होता है V. So we have again two statements P Q and P or Q. So two statements के लिए we have 4 options. So T T F F, T F T F. Okay, so these are the only 4 combinations we can get for the two statements. Or means what? Either or. I require P or Q. अगर if I get both true, then I'm very happy. Yes, it's okay. If only one is true, then also I'm happy. If other is true and first one is false, then also I'm okay with this. But both are false, no sir, ये नहीं चलेगा मुझे. Both are false और में नहीं चलेगा, means ये भी नहीं और ये भी नहीं, नहीं मुझे कोई तो एक चाहिए. So that's why we get this as an false. Next we have is the if and then. If and then, and इसका symbol है arrow mark. Okay, I have taken example like if you pass an exam, then you will get a mobile. Okay, that was kind of example. And one more example I think I have given, that अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. Is this for the same batch or I have given for morning batch? I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Same batch में ना, हाँ. Okay, I will explain that once again. Okay, so again we have the same TTFF, then we have TF. Very good. Now see here, the statement is if and then. If you pass, I will give mobile. I will give mobile. So this is one statement, first statement. And observe the second statement. If and only if you pass, if and only if you pass, I will give you mobile. I will give a mobile. Okay. So do you find any difference between these two statements? If you pass exam, I will give mobile. The second statement says, if and only if you pass exam, I will give you mobile. So what is the difference between these two scenarios is that in the first case, अगर आप पास हो रहे हो मोबाइल, if you are passing an exam, I have to give a mobile to you. But there are some other chances also to get a mobile. You are getting some mobile, means maybe you are having your birthday or you have done some extraordinary work. So in that case also you may get the mobile phone. Means getting the mobile phone is not restricted to you. But what is the restriction is, if you are passing an exam, I have to give a mobile. This is the only restriction I have. Means the restriction is from P to Q. Understand this, restriction is from P to Q. But in the second scenario, if and only if you pass exam, then only you are getting the mobile. Means what? अगर आपको मोबाइल चाहिए तो आपको पास होना ही पड़ेगा. अगर आपका बर्थडे रहेगा, आपकी शादी है, आपने कुछ बहुत बड़ा तीर मारा है, कोई भी केस में आपको मोबाइल नहीं मिलने वाला है. इन द सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट मीन्स टू गेट अ मोबाइल फोन यू हैव टू पास द एग्जाम इन द सेकेंड केस. अगर फर्स्ट केस में अगर आपको पास होके अगर मोबाइल नहीं मिल रहा है तो देन यू कैन हैव अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक you may do some other work. But agar if you are getting pass, then I have to give a mobile. I hope this much clear is this much explanation is okay with the difference between these two.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you see
Yes,
the
sir.
second statement is like this. The second statement
Yes, sir.
is from condition from P to Q as well as from Q to P. मतलब पास हो रहा है और मोबाइल मिल रहा है. मीन्स सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट जो है दिस इज अ बाय कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट. मतलब Q से P भी कंडीशन है एंड P to Q भी कंडीशन है. बट इन द फर्स्ट केस यू हैव ओनली वन कंडीशन, वन वे कंडीशन, ओनली P to Q. बट यहाँ पे जो है वो दोनों साइड से कंडीशन है, एक P to Q भी आ रहा है और Q to P भी आ रहा है. सो दिस इज नोन एज एन डबल कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट एंड दिस इज नोन एज एन सिंगल कंडीशन स्टेटमेंट. प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक्स. प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक. Please mute your mic. Okay, so this is a single condition and this is a double condition, or you can say it is a one way condition, it is a two way condition. I hope it is okay to all.
Yes.
सर एकदा परत सांगता का, माझं नेटवर्क इश्यू होता जरा.
ओके, आता बघा इथे सांगतोय मी काय की इथे तुम्हाला यहाँ पे आपको मोबाइल मिलने के लिए है बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है. बट यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन है, दैट इज गेटिंग अ पासिंग योर एग्जाम. अगर आप पास हो रहे हो देन ओनली यू आर गेटिंग अ मोबाइल, अदरवाइज नो. नो मीन्स नो. बट यहाँ पे आपको मोबाइल मिलेगा, डेफिनेटली मिलेगा इफ यू आर पासिंग एन एग्जाम. इफ यू आर नॉट पासिंग एन एग्जाम देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट अ मोबाइल फोन इन दिस केस. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द ट्रुथ टेबल फॉर दिस. व्हाट विल बी द ट्रुथ टेबल फॉर दिस? सी हियर, T means you are passing an exam, Q means you are getting a mobile. See, passing an exam and getting a mobile, is this okay? Yes, it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Means I have kept my words. मैं आपको बोला कि आप पास करो और मैं मोबाइल दूंगा. Yes, I have kept my words. Here in the last one you have failed the exam and I have not given you mobile. Is this okay? Yes, it is also okay for me.
Yes, sir.
See, the third one is you have failed the exam but then also I am giving you mobile. Is this okay for this first statement? Yes, absolutely fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely fine. But in the second scenario what is happening is you are passing an exam but still I am not giving you a mobile. Means ये cheating हो गया. ये cheating हो गया मतलब
Yes,
सर ऐसा नहीं चलेगा सर. You should keep your words. Okay, are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो, now you will understand this in much better way for the double implication. Okay, if and only if is represented by IFF. If and only if is represented by IFF and इसका जो सिंबल होता है ना, ये सिंबल ऐसा होता है. two way, either you draw like this or you can draw like this, no problem, कैसे भी निकालो, लेकिन दोनों साइड पे एरो दिखाना है. सो वी हैव स्टेटमेंट P, यू हैव स्टेटमेंट Q. सो P डबल इम्प्लीकेशन Q, इसको रीड कैसा करते हैं, P डबल इम्प्लीकेशन Q. इसको कैसा करते हैं रीड, P इम्प्लीकेशन Q, P इम्प्लाइज Q, इम्प्लाइज, P इम्प्लाइज Q, इसको बोलते हैं P डबल इम्प्लीकेशन Q. ओके, वी हैव सेम टू स्टेटमेंट, सो वी हैव सेम टू ऑप्शंस, सॉरी 4 ऑप्शंस. अभी देखो, यू हैव पास्ड एग्जाम and I am giving you mobile, true. You have failed exam, means last one I am seeing now. You have failed exam and I am not giving you mobile, it's okay, no problem. But अभी देखो यहाँ पे for second statement we are talking, कौन ये second statement पे हम लोग बात करें, if and only if. You have passed the exam but I am not giving you mobile. नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, I should keep my words. Second statement में क्या हो रहा है, you have failed exam and then also I am giving you mobile. यहाँ पे बोला है ना भाई, इफ़ एंड ओनली इफ़. इफ़ एंड ओनली इफ़ का मीनिंग क्या होता है कि दिस इज़ द ओनली वे टू गेट द मोबाइल फ़ोन. अगर आप पास भी कर रहे हो, आप अगर आप फेल भी हो रहे हो, देन ऑल्सो यू आर गेटिंग मोबाइल, मीन्स नहीं ना सर, ऐसा भी नहीं चलेगा. आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, so just now let's observe the things, don't mug up the things. Okay, observe the things. क्या क्या हो रहा है देखो. In the and statement, if both are true, my answer is true, means any one of these is the false, my answer becomes false. In the or statement, if both are false, my answer is false, because or means what, it is an at least condition. और म्हणजे क्या होता है, ये at least होता है, at least एक भी चलेगा मुझे, and मतलब सबके सब चाहिए मुझे, so it is all, it is at least. You can remember in any way. Okay, I am giving you so many ways to remember these things. If and only if में एक ही होता है, TF F, remember like this, T to F, answer is F. Only for this condition your answer is F in this implication. In the implication, only for this case your answer is false. So how you will remember? T to F, answer is F. In this way you remember. Again, in the last one, double implication, see here, if both the inputs, if both the answers are same, my answer is true. If both the answers are same, my answer is true. Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. अभी मुझे बताओ. Now let's see. Suppose I have true, 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 false, true, true, false, true. What will be and of all these? What will be anding of all these?
False.
It should be false, because and में क्या होता है सर, and में सबके सब true होना चाहिए. If I get any one, at least एक भी अगर false हो गया तो my statement becomes false. So this becomes the and. For the same case, can you give me the or?
True.
It is true, because at least, or means what, it is an at least, कोई भी एक चलेगा. Are you getting the point? Now let's see.
Yes, sir.
T to F, F to T, and T to F. Give me the answer to this. Let's see. T to F. What is T to F? Is F. Means what?
Yes.
अभी इसका आंसर F आ गया. Now you are doing F to T. What is F to T answer is? It is T.
T.
Now T to F is what? T to F is what? It's F.
F.
You will really enjoy these things once we start our solving the questions. डबल इम्प्लीकेशन में क्या होगा देखो अभी, टी एफ टी एफ टी एफ टी एफ. व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर द डबल इम्प्लीकेशन?
False.
False, because for the double implication I should have all same, either it is true or it is false, no problem. Then only I will get true, means सब true ले लो और सब false ले लो, you will get this same answer which is true. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
let's crack few questions. Example number 1. अभी कैसा होता है, क्वेश्चंस कैसे आते हैं देखो. एक्सप्रेस फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट सिंबॉलिकली एंड गिव देयर ट्रुथ वैल्यू. एक्सप्रेस फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स, express following statements symbolically मेरा इंग्लिश थोड़ा कच्चा है। जोसेफ प्लीज फॉरगिव मी इफ आई डू सम मिस्टेक, ओके। सिंबॉलिकली and give truth value to that statement. Number 1, the statement is what? First statement, sun rises in east, comma, milk is okay, instead of comma let's have and. Sun rises in east and milk is black. Okay, so this is the question they have given. What they have said is express following statement symbolically and give the truth value. Now let's understand this. Here with the help of this and you have joined two single statements. So first statement is this is sun rises in the east. Second statement is the milk is black. Okay, so let's name this as an P and let's name this as an Q. Now because of this and what symbol you will is ulta V. So this becomes P and Q. Is this okay to all? This
Yes,
is
sir.
the answer to the first question that express following statement symbolically. Answer हो गया है मेरा. अभी देखो इसका. Can you give me the answer, the truth value for the first one, first statement? Sun rises in the east.
False.
Aye.
True. True.
Yes, it is a true statement. Sun rises in the east is a true statement. Milk is a black. What about this? It's a false statement. And what you are using in between them is and. So true and false. What is the truth value?
False.
False. So this is what my second answer is. So give the truth value. How simple it is. Very simple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's have one more question. अभी ऐसा नहीं होगा कि सर इन दोनों में कुछ कनेक्शन रहता है क्या? नहीं. They can be anything. So if you combine these two statements, these statements are meaningless statements. उसका कुछ meaning ही नहीं होता है. Okay, then also you will get some statement and at the end you will get. So that's why it is called as a logic. We are logically identifying, coming to the conclusion. Okay, great. Now I hope if the statements are given, then you can really or you can easily answer the following questions. Okay, let's have one more. Alright, we missed one connective, which is the negation. Yeah, this negation connective we left. We have seen 4 and the fifth one is negation. Negation मतलब क्या होगा? It is the opposite. एक negation का symbol होता है ये. What is this symbol is? It is negation symbol. Okay. So negation मतलब क्या है? Sun rises in east. इसका negation मतलब इसका opposite करना है. इसको opposite करना है. Suppose this is statement P. इसका opposite क्या होगा? Sun. Oh sorry.
Rises in the west.
ना no. आपको दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. जिधर भी स्टेटमेंट दिया है ना उसमें सिर्फ नॉट डालना है. Who said the opposite of east is only west? Logically it is not true. It could be west, it could be east. क्या होते हैं? Sun, north, east, west, south कोई भी हो सकता है. और I can say north east is also one direction. So क्या करना है? Negation मतलब you have to introduce not in the statement. That's it. Sun rises. क्या होगा अभी not introduce किया तो? Sun rises. Sun हाँ does not rise भी थोड़ा
Does not rise in the east.
yes does not rise in east हो गया. This is denoted by negation of P.
अच्छा मतलब सर चेंज नहीं करना सेंटेंस को, वही होना
नहीं
चाहिए
सेंटेंस चेंज नहीं करना है, सिर्फ आपको उसमें नॉट डालना है बस.
Oh,
Okay, now see here. 2 is even number. 2 is even number. Let's suppose it is a statement A. What is its negation A? अभी इसको हम लोग ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि सर 2 is a odd number. नहीं ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे. हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? 2 is not even number. 2 is not even number. That's it. Very simple. Okay, if I say the negation of A is 1 is prime, 1 is a prime number, then what will be A?
One is not a prime number.
number.
Exactly. See here, though you have already negated statement, though you have already negated statement symbolically, but there is no not in this statement. But negation of negation means originally you have this statement. Now I want to take one more negation of this. मतलब ये negation और ये negation कैंसिल कर दिए इसको. नॉट दो बार आ गया तो वो पॉजिटिव हो गया. सो 1 इज नॉट प्राइम नंबर. अभी इसको हम लोग कंपोजिट नहीं बोल सकते. इट इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. दैट्स इट. यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस ओनली नो, नॉट. इज दिस ओके?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me, sugar is sweet. Sugar is sweet. If suppose I take the negation 100 times of A, then what is my statement?
Sugar is sweet.
Still my
Sugar
answer
is
will
not
remain
sweet.
okay. See here, still my answer is, see here, अगर आप, this is the original statement, sugar is sweet. If I take once negation, what is my answer is? Sugar is not sweet. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
If I take one more negation, I will remove this not, because not becomes same statement. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, means what? Even number of times negation will keep the statement same. Odd number of times negation will make it opposite. If I take the same example for 101 times, then my answer is simply negation of A. Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after having this, let's have one more statement, composite statement, and let's find out the answer. Okay, please mute your mic. X is not irrational number. X is not irrational number. X is not irrational number, but is a square of integer. Is a square of integer. Okay, so this is a kind of statement you have. And what is the connective here?
But
But. Very good. Okay, ये but single t है, double t नहीं है. So you have the connective like but, but. अभी सर आपने बट पढ़ाया ही नहीं, तो अभी कैसा होगा सर? ये आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है क्या? नहीं, इट इज़ नॉट आउट ऑफ सिलेबस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, गिव मी द 2 स्टेटमेंट्स फ्रॉम दिस कंपोजिट स्टेटमेंट. गिव मी 2 स्टेटमेंट्स. दिस इज नंबर 1 स्टेटमेंट, एक्स इज नॉट इरेशनल नंबर. राइट डाउन एज इट इज. लेट्स टेक दिस एज एन पी. राइट डाउन एज इट इज. अभी यहाँ पे नॉट है, इसलिए यू डोंट टेक निगेशन. नो, नहीं करना है ऐसा. जो स्टेटमेंट दिया उसको वैसा ही लिखना है, जैसा था वैसा ही. सो P becomes X is not irrational number. What is a Q statement? Can you please tell me?
X is a square of
Exactly.
integer.
But is telling that, and this is pointing to X only. So X is a square of integer. X is a square of integer. With the help of this but, what do you think, which connective will do a work of but? But means you are saying
And.
that exactly. Very good, I appreciate this. But means, do you really want only this statement? No, I want this statement as well, because the but says that it is connecting, that it is saying the ये भी है और ये भी है साथ में. Whether they are true or false, I don't care about that truth value right now. But अभी मुझे क्या समझना है कि ये जो but है ना, this is nothing but an and, because it is connecting the two sentences with the help of and. Okay, now let's take the example. P and Q. Is this okay if I write like this symbolically?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी हम लोग इसका ट्रूथ वैल्यू निकालेंगे. टेल मी, x इज नॉट इरेशनल नंबर. अभी क्या होगा इसका आंसर?
True.
False.
But x is a square of integer. See, if I give you only single statement that x is a irrational number, what will be the its truth value? Only single statement I am saying. If x is a irrational number, what will be its truth value?
False.
False.
Think.
False.
If I
No,
give,
true. It's
if
a
I,
statement.
If I give, yes.
It's a statement.
It is not a
First-
statement. It is
is
not a
sentence.
statement. If I give only p, I don't want to introduce this. Let's suppose I don't have this sentence, second statement. You have only this statement. X is not irrational number. By x है क्या है? First of all, you tell me what is x, then I will tell you whether it's true or false. So what I'm
Yes.
saying, the p statement itself, an individual p statement is not a statement, it is a sentence. But because of this square of integer number, we are getting this statement, we are getting some defined values of this x. Are you getting the points?
Yes.
So first of all, let's focus on the second statement. क्या बोल रहा है ये? X is square of integer. Let's take an integer 2. What is the square of this 2 is 4. So now x की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई भाई? 4 हो गई. Are you getting the point? x हो गया
Yes,
मेरा
sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
So tell me whether 4 is irrational or rational.
Rational.
It is irrational.
Rational.
It is irrational. So if the second statement is true, now see here. If the second statement is true, then only we have the meaning for the first statement. Now do you want to change your answer somewhere in this board, on this board?
Sir, can you repeat it again?
So what I am saying is, if the second statement is true, then only we have meaning for the first statement. Do you want to change something on this whiteboard?
Sir, x is equals to 4 then.
No.
Then not.
Sorry.
Sir, 4 is not a irrational number.
Nahi. Think. I have written one wrong thing in this on this screen. Okay, that.
Sir.
Yes.
हम
सर if and then use होगा if
Ah,
square of integer
yes. See how this yes, I good, you have noted down. So what happens here is we get that instead of and, we get this but is working for if and then. Are you getting this point? If, so this is a but we have, but if q is true, then only we have meaning for p. So how it will be?
Sir, if x is not irrational number, then x is a square of integer.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. देखो, कंडीशन किस पे है ना, वो बाद में जाएगा. So I will write the first statement like this. It is a square of integer. Okay, q implies p. If it is a square number, then the p has to be the rational number only. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
If q, then p. If q, then p. This is what we get. Okay, so tell me, x is a square of integer number. So let's take an 4. Okay, if x is a square of integer number, then this x is an irrational number. Yes, of course, it is also true. So in this way we have to mold the given sentences in the symbols. Okay, are you getting this question?
Yes, sir.
If and then we have to, of course we have to use if and then. Okay, and again if you ask the weightage for these statements, I don't think these statements will come for your board as well as NDA को तो है ही नहीं ये chapter, but for board no, the statements will not come because there are so many other concepts which can appear in your exam. Let's see those questions now. Question number 1, very popular questions, huh? You will find at least one question 100%. Find truth table for following statements. Now you will not get statement as an word, they will give the statement directly in the symbolic form. The number 1 question is like this: P or Q and R. This is a statement. P or Q and R. See, bracket plays very important role. Do not overlook the brackets. We want to find out a combined truth value of this statement. Let's see how many statements we can have here in this. How many statements we have?
3.
3 statements. So let's write all those 3 statements: P, Q and R. So 3 statements matlab how many options you will get? 2 raised to 3, which is nothing but 8. So 8 options I will get, and maximum for your exam you will get only 3 statements. Okay, 4th statement नहीं आएगा आपके एग्जाम में. अभी 8 options, how you will write these 8 options? So I will have, see how I write 8 option मतलब इसके half is 4, so write down all 4s. T, true, 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 then false, 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 false. Then Q is true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Then इतने 4 बार, इतने इधर 4 बार हो गया, इधर 2 बार हो गया, तो इधर 1 बार लिखना है. ट्रू फॉल्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, ट्रू फॉल्स. ये हो गए अपने स्टेटमेंट के पॉसिबल नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस. नाउ टू solve such a compound statements, again the BODMAS rule is applicable. What is BODMAS?
Bracket first.
Bracket of division,
Division,
multiplication, addition
multiplication,
and square.
subtraction.
So if you have subtraction, not square. If you have any brackets in a compound statement, first solve those brackets first. So here if you see, I have a bracket like Q and R. Okay, so let's solve for Q and R. Observe very carefully now. And Q and R, we have and between these 2 statements. Now you have, these are the different options for these Q and R. Now let's come to the answer. So T and T, give me the answer. T and T is T.
True.
T and false, false.
False.
See, whenever you have and, you should not have false in the statement. So let's see here. False, true, false, 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 true, true, true,
True.
true, false, false,
False.
false, true, false,
False.
false, false, false.
False.
That's it. This becomes my Q and R. So let's name this as an column number 1. Next you have the P. Now see the statement. Now how I am writing. So column number 1. Okay, sorry. You have P or column number 1, or instead of column number, if you want to write this as well, you can write as it is. अभी क्या करना है आपको? You have to find out the or between these 2 columns. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो और मतलब क्या है? If both are false, then only my answer is false. Otherwise it is true. लेकिन देखना किसको है? सिर्फ इसको देखना है और इसको देखना है. देखो अभी ट्रू, ट्रू,
True.
ट्रू, ट्रू, फॉल्स, ट्रू,
True.
ट्रू, फॉल्स, ट्रू, ट्रू, फॉल्स, ट्रू,
True.
false, true, true, false, false,
False.
False.
False, false. False. False, false. False.
False.
This is what my answer is. 2 marks. Is it okay? Is it simple?
Yes, sir.
It is very simple. But problem क्या है पता है? Still, there are some students who do mistake in these type of questions, and they will not. They miss these 2 marks. क्योंकि why they do mistakes? You know, because they underestimate this topic. They overlook the topic. They overlook some brackets. They think that it is very easy. अरे बच्चों का काम है ये सॉल्व करना. नहीं, ये बच्चों का काम नहीं है. ये स्टेटमेंट सिर्फ छोटा है, इसलिए it is okay to solve. Now we will take some of the questions which you require 10 number of columns to get the answer. Okay, so my objective is to that do not underestimate the easy topics. Next step. Second number question. Any doubt in this question? In this question, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's have the next. P implies Q or R implies, let's take S. Let's make it difficult. P implies Q and or R implies S. How many statements you have?
4.
4 statements. 4 statements मतलब 2 raised to 4. How many options? Total 16 number of options I am
16.
getting. Okay, let's write all those 16s. So P Q R S. अभी 16 को कैसा करोगे? इसको डिवाइड बाय 2 करो, 8 आ रहा है. So write down 8 times 8t. 8 times t आ गया. Then go for 8 times. सॉल्व करना है या छोटा सा ले लेंगे. We will take one small example. Okay, don't worry. I will erase some of this and I want to introduce here. Let's have R and P. Let's have this kind of question. 1 2 3 4 and let's erase this and let's make them false. I have done some correction here. So I am taking questions from exercise. Okay, so these are the first list. So now you have only 3 statements, so total number of options are 8. First 4 are true, next 4 are false, then true true, false false, true true, false false. Then we have true false, true false, true false, true false. Remember this. ये वाला आपको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम लग सकता है, लेकिन इसको रिमेंबर करने के लिए एक बहुत आसान ट्रिक है, दैट इज T to F, answer is F. Remember in this way, otherwise the answer is true. देखो अभी I want to have the OR of these two. इन दोनों को OR करना है, इन दोनों को OR करना है. इसके लिए पहले मुझे ये पहला ब्रैकेट पता होना चाहिए. So Bodmer's rule, first solve this bracket, then solve this bracket, then make the OR of these two statements. Okay, so let's have first P implies Q. P implies Q. Give me the answer. P implies Q. TT. Answer is true. See, only for this option you have false. Otherwise, everywhere it is true. मतलब क्या हो आप one more thing. The fastest way you can do is second statement में false कहाँ पे है check करो. Second statement में false कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे false है.
Second position,
So,
6th position.
This is what? True false? It is false.
False.
It is also false. So true false is false. It is false false. It is true. False false. It is still true. So remaining everything is true. Is this okay? I hope this is not confusing you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now I will erase this part. Very good. Next you want R and P. So R and P. R and P. So it's always good to have जो पहले स्टेटमेंट दिया ना वही आप ले लो. R and P. So the commutative law is applicable for and or and for double implication also. But the Commutative law means what? A into B is equals to B into A. This is known as a commutative law. Okay, so the commutative law is not applicable only to the implication. मतलब क्या है सर? P implies Q अगर रहेगा तो you cannot say it is Q implies P. नहीं, it is definitely wrong. Are you getting the point? That's why it is called as a single side implication. लोड हो रहा है ज़्यादा?
थोड़ा बहुत सर जा रहा है सर।
सर
हाँ, yes.
अगर P डबल implies Q हुआ तो हम कम्यूटेटिव लॉ यूज कर सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, P double implies Q means what? You have P implies Q and Q implies P. That means it is a double implies. Yes, it is true. Means P double implies Q and Q double implies P. Both are same. So double implication, sorry, the commutative law is not applicable only to the implication. Okay, you can always go to the basic example. If you pass, I will give mobile.
So sir, when it is when P double implies Q, only true and true are true and false are true.
हाँ, yes, the truth table will remain same. Yes, yes, truth table will remain same. Truth table में change नहीं होगा.
Okay sir.
Okay. Now let's see R and P. R and P में क्या है? Commutative law is applicable, so you can go with the P and R or R and P, no problem. R and P. So R and P मतलब and में if एक भी अगर false हो गया तो my answer is going to be false. Is this okay? So in any of these statements, just search for the false statements. So if you see the last 4 statements are false, so I can directly write the false here. False, 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 false. Is this okay?
Yes.
And in the R statement, all the alternate are false. So I will write all the alternates are false. Now the remaining is only true, true. So true, true is true. And the next is true, true is a true. Everything is okay with it. Is this okay?
Yes.
Perfect. अभी क्या करना है आपको? इन दोनों का एंड और करना है. इन दोनों को आपको और करना है. So how you will write? Either you give name to this 1 and 2. So you can write like this 1 or 2. You can write like this or you can write the whole thing as it is here. अभी इन दोनों में और करना है. So और मतलब क्या है? If both are false, then only answer is false. Otherwise it is true. Means you search for true. अगर any one of the statement is true, my answer is going to be true. See, this is true, true. So आप डोले झाकुन, so आँख बंद करके आप true लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे. Whatever may be the answers here. Okay. So ये 4 statements true है. So आँख बंद करके यहाँ पे true लिख लो. Because it is or no. This statement or this statement. So these are true. So these are definitely true. But the problem is where if you have the both are false, my answer is false. But यहाँ पे क्या है? True है और एक false है. So answer is true. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
So if you do more practice, no, you will understand these type of tricks. Okay. So I hope this question is also any doubt here again. So here I will write.
Yes sir.
हाँ, yes. What is doubt?
सर आपने वो T और F है ना इधर का 1 और 2 लिखा है ऊपर.
हाँ.
हाँ तो उसमें से समझो अभी आपने हो गया था if you pass and then.
सर
If you pass, then you get a mobile.
हाँ तो फिर इधर ट्रू है इधर फॉल्स है तो फिर ट्रू कैसे आया?
इसके लिए बोल रहे हो आप?
उसके नीचे का.
यहाँ पे. Okay. This you are saying.
Yes sir.
True, false. You are saying it's a true. Are you saying this same thing?
Yes yes.
No, boss, see here. ये जो आंसर है, ये जो कॉलम है ना लास्ट का, ये आंसर है अपना. इन दिस आंसर व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग इज यू आर लुकिंग एट इन दोनों में यू आर डूइंग और मतलब T और T हो गया, T और F हो गया, T F और T हो गया. मीन्स ये जो आंसर आया ना ये T, ये किसका है आंसर? ट्रू और F का आंसर है वो, इम्प्लाइज का नहीं है.
मध्ये T होतं.
सॉरी.
Yes sir. Understood.
अंडरस्टूड नो. एंड ये जो T कहाँ से आ गए भाई साहब? ये T कहाँ से आ गए? ये T आ गए इन दोनों के इम्प्लाइज में से आ गए. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई से दिस टॉपिक इज सिंपल बट यू रिक्वायर लिटिल बिट ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. अगर एक बार यहाँ पे किधर मिस्टेक हो गया देन री इंजीनियरिंग करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. कहाँ पे गड़बड़ हो गया, कहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो गया, फाइंड आउट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट इन द फर्स्ट केस ओनली जो भी आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो वहीं पे ही आपको फुल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन सॉल्व करना है. ओके,
Yes, sir.
perfect. We will take one more question and then we will stop. Okay. I'm taking some random question here. I will still no. क्यों आया लेकिन? Okay. Third question is like this. P double implication Q. Implication P or Q. Oops, P or Q and Q implies P. Okay, I have taken, I don't know what I have taken, but this is a statement. Okay, let's try to find out the answer to this question. It's very simple. How many statements you have? Only two. So let's write down P and Q here. So TT FF TF TF. Okay, so first BODMAS rule. पहले इसको सॉल्व करो, देन इसको सॉल्व करो, देन इसको सॉल्व करो. So first one you write down P double implies Q. P double implies Q. हाँ, P double implies Q में if both are same then answer is same, then answer is true, otherwise it is false. इन दोनों में सेम है so it is true. इन दोनों में सेम है it is true and the rest of are the false. Is this okay? Next statement Q statement. Second statement क्या बोल रहा है? P और Q चाहिए इसको. P और Q में क्या है? P और Q. You know that it is true, 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 and it is this one is false. This one is last one is false. Third statement. अभी थर्ड स्टेटमेंट में देखो प्रॉब्लम क्या है. इट इज Q to P है. Q to P है. It is not same as your P to Q. It is Q to P means like this. Now tell me for which row the answer is false.
Second.
Third one. For third one my answer is going to be false because what I told you, if T to F answer is F. For rest everything is true. See here. T to F आहे का? नहीं है. So answer is true. T to F आहे का? नहीं है. Answer is true. T to F आहे का? Yes. Answer is false. T to F है क्या? No sir. Answer is true. Okay. So what you are getting? Q to P means what? It is a true, true, false and true. Is this okay? Is this okay to all this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's erase
Sir.
this. Yes.
Sir, this T to F is for only single implication.
Yes, yes, it is only for single implication. डबल इम्प्लीकेशन को कैसे याद रखना है कि अगर दोनों अगर सेम रहेंगे आपके आइदर इट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स देन योर आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी ट्रू ओनली. ओके, अभी what you will do now, let's rename this now. So let's make this 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Now you can solve any. अभी bracket नहीं है. Now they have not given any bracket, so you are free to solve any 2 first. So let's solve first 1 implies 2. मतलब ये solve कर रहा हूँ मैं, इन दोनों को solve कर रहा हूँ. First implies 2 मतलब क्या है? 1 implies 2. So T implies T. What is answer?
T.
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 F implies T.
T.
F implies T.
T.
T implies F.
F.
Excellent. Very good. अभी ये आ गया अभी. Okay. Now definitely I should have some bracket here. I will keep the bracket for this. Now इसका जो आंसर आएगा 1 और 2 का जो आंसर आएगा 1 implies 2 का, उसके साथ इसको थर्ड को मुझे और करना है. सो आई विल नेम दिस कॉलम एज एन फोर्थ कॉलम. आई विल नेम दिस कॉलम एज एन फोर्थ कॉलम. मैं ऐसा लिखूंगा इसको. इट इज़ नंबर ऑफ 4 कॉलम एंड व्हाट वी हैव डन हियर इज 1 implies 2. नाउ फिफ्थ कॉलम इज व्हाट? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द फिफ्थ कॉलम? डेफिनेशन ऑफ फिफ्थ कॉलम इज व्हाट? इट इज एंडिंग बिटवीन द फोर्थ. दिस इज व्हाट 4 एंडिंग बिटवीन 4 and 3. इज दिस ओके?
Yes, sir.
अभी बताओ मुझे फिर, ट्रू एंड ट्रू,
True.
ट्रू एंड ट्रू, ट्रू,
True.
ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, फॉल्स, फॉल्स एंड ट्रू, फॉल्स. That's it. This is what my answer is. Answer to this statement. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I hope this session also finds okay for all of you, and the video will be uploaded shortly. Shortly मतलब आज रात में upload हो जाएगा. And also if you don't find any link, no, so I will show you, or you just type Sangamesh Malge. You just type in YouTube and you will get a channel name. यहाँ पे मेरा एक हैंडसम फोटो है, ओके, ऐसे हाथ फैला के शाहरुख खान की तरह से ये मेरा फोटो है यहाँ पे ऐसा. So you just find this and just subscribe and you will get notification when I upload this video. Thank you.
Sir, please send a note.
Yes, definitely I will luggage send you the notes. Thank you.
Bye.